Pork and bamboo shoots. A main dish from China. Serves 4. You will need 7 ingredients. Step 1. Cut the pork into small cubes. Mix the soy sauce, sherry, sugar and ginger together, add to the pork, toss well and leave for 10 minutes. Step 2. Put pork and flavorings in a large pan, add the water and bring gently to the boil, cover and simmer for 1 hour. Step 3. Drain bamboo shoots and shred finely, add to the pan and simmer for 10 minutes. If wished, liquid may be thickened with 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Mixed with a little cold water. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.